I have voices enabled.
I
don't hear shit. I don't like care.
Yeah, I don't like voice enable one.
I have voices off.
I'm going A.
I'm going mid, boys.
Whoa. The lag is strong with you guys.
That's a B push. That's a B rush. For sure.
Yep.
Palace.
Oh, it's an A rush. I'm kidding. I was so joking.
Palace.
I'm coming. Stay alive. Stay alive. Stay alive. Stay alive. Stay alive. Stay alive. Stay
One
alive.
firebox. One jumped across the stairs. He's jungle.
Thank you.
One fire. One fire.
Jungle jumping out window.
He's still fire, dude.
One was still pushing.
They're just gonna plant and run. You know he's going to come right behind you.
He's jungle.
Or he's watching window.
Here we go, boys!
Wow, no. Yes, that's
Where's the bomb?
Oh my god!
Blizz and the top guy. Blizz and I click face. They're both smurfing.
Let's go. Oh, Saigo's Kit on jungle right now. When he just told me Kit was in jungle. Fuck, dude. I thought I seen a guy's head up there. Like I was like, what's he standing there? I was like, there's no window there.
And I was gonna say something, but I was waiting for you to hear the guy up close.
Yeah.